Hey everyone, welcome back. This is part 2. If you didn't watch part 1, you can click on the link in the description. Before we started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's continue. Okay guys, so we start cutting top backward from the middle, picking up a small section by section and just cutting a little bit from the top and using point cut technique. You can see how long I'm cutting the top, just a little bit, and the next section is the left side, and you have to pick some hair from the middle as your guideline to cut the left side of the top. You can see the point of my fingers. I'm just picking up the middle part to help me how long should I cut, and it helps me to be same as the middle. So and then the other part is the right side, like the left side, just also picking up some hair from the middle section. And here is the back, so connected the crown to the up and crown to the back hair, the behind hair. You can see I'm using the previous section for the new section, and you have to pay attention to it and pick the previous section for your guideline. Okay guys, we are done on the top and back. So now we start the sides using guard number 1.5, and the lever is 3/4 open. Just make sure you don't go so much high and you don't cut more than that. You have to be just careful not cutting extra hair, because later we're gonna use Overcomb technique to cut the top hair. So here I open the lever completely and using the same guard, and you can see just I'm cutting a little bit higher than that. And the next step is using guard number 1. The lever is 3/4 open, and just a little bit lower than previous guard number 1.5. So you can see how I hold the machine. Just be careful, you don't have to cut the guard 1.5 area. You can see some section is very deep, so just using the corner of machine. So the next step is using guard 0.5. The lever is 3/4 open like the previous guard, and just a little bit lower than the guard number 1. So you can watch this part is at this part of the head is very deep and there is some bones. This is the hardest part to do fade. And it takes a little bit more than other parts. So here I'm done. So the next step is using the same guard, just the lever is completely closed. And just make sure the bottom is all cleaned by using guard 0.5. So the next step is using Overcomb machine technique. You can see how I hold the combs. So the top of the comb is outside and the bottom of the comb is inside. Just here I'm showing you how to hold the comb. You have to be careful not holding very deeply. So I'm done with that part. So here I'm lining up the temples, and here is the other part that I did in the video part 1. Okay guys, I'm done with this haircut, so now is the time for styling the hair. And now I'm using some pomade. Okay guys, just look at how I style the hair and then how I use my fingers to style the hair. Just make sure you just apply the pomade all over the hair. And using comb, using brush. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. I hope I helped you guys how to start cutting hair with only 3 guards, guard number 0.5, 1 and 1.5. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.